Text, LG, life's good. A logo of a G circling an L creating the appearance of a winking face.
How to get HBO Max on an LG Smart TV.
Two men sit in a stylish living room watching a plasma TV with an HBO Max logo on the screen.
HBO Max is now available on your LG Smart TV through the LG Content Store.
They look through apps.
The LG Content Store is your portal to limitless premium content and apps.
They go to a settings menu from a tab on the left and log into a Wi-Fi network.
If your LG Smart TV with WebOS 4.0 or above is connected to the internet, accessing the Content Store is easy.
A remote control. A button with a house icon is located midway down on the left, just above a central dial. Back on the screen under a row titled Apps List, an apps icon is located towards the right side of the screen with a 4 boxes symbol.
Just press the Home button on your Magic Remote, and then select the Apps icon under the Apps List heading.
They're taken to an apps screen with featured, most popular, and newly used apps displayed visually. They scroll through tabs at the top titled, Featured, Entertainment, News, and Info, Life, and Education.
The Content Store offers a huge selection of TV shows and movies, and an amazing assortment of entertainment apps and games.
In the Featured tab, under 2 rows of app lists, a third is titled Premium.
If you don't see HBO Max listed in the available premium apps, you can easily search for it.
A spyglass symbol for search appears alongside a person and an X at the top right.
Click on the search icon at the top right of the screen.
A search bar appears at the top with some categories and recent searches listed. An on-screen keyboard fills the lower half of the display. They type HB and HBO Max appears as a recommended search.
Then enter HBO Max and click Search.
They click Search. The first result under Apps is HBO Max. They click through to a Details page. An Install button appears just below the HBO Max logo on the left.
When you see the HBO Max app in the search results, click on it, then select Install.
A completion wheel quickly fills, and the button changes to Launch.
Once installed, press the Launch button to start HBO Max.
The HBO Max logo briefly fills the screen, before being taken to a sign-in screen, with an alternate option to browse on HBO Max. They sign in and start scrolling movies.
Enter your login details and enjoy HBO Max on your LG Smart TV.
Back on the TV home screen, HBO Max appears in the app list just after Netflix and Prime Video.
The HBO Max tab app will appear in the home launcher for future access.
Under the Featured Apps tab, the Premium row is highlighted again.
HBO Max is a premium app and requires a monthly subscription fee.
A user agreements page with terms of use, privacy policy, etc.
When installing it, be sure to accept the user agreements. Some features may not work if these agreements have not been accepted.
On the TV home screen at the end of the apps list is a gear icon for the settings menu. From there, on a tab on the left side a 3 vertical dot symbol second from the bottom takes them to all settings. A menu with options for picture, sound, general, and support appears. They select support. Then from the last option in the support menu, they select privacy and terms. It opens another menu, and they select the top option, user agreements.
Go to TV settings, then all settings, then support, then privacy and terms, and then user agreements.
The user agreements screen with terms of use etc. They click a checkmark beside select all at the bottom of the screen.
While in the settings, let's also verify the location setting.
A group sits around watching a football match. A father and son watch an animated movie in a living room.
Streaming content is viewable based on licenses contracted between owners and providers.
A man sits on a couch watching astronauts on a planet. 2 men cheer as a football team runs together after scoring.
If your TV location settings are incorrect, some content may not be available.
Back on the home screen, the settings icon is selected from the app list. Selects the 3 dots for all settings again second from the bottom on the left tab. This time selects General from the menu. Then System, second from the bottom. Then Location second from the top in the System menu. A dialog is given to enter a zip code.
Go to TV settings, then all settings, then General, then System, then Location, and then enter your service area zip code. Your location will update automatically.
They enter the zip code and an address appears under zip code in the location menu. Back on the home screen in the apps list, they select the HBO Max icon.
Lastly, should you ever wish to uninstall HBO Max, That's easy too. On the TV menu, press and hold the Apps tab on the launcher. An Edit Mode window will appear.
The apps list is isolated on a new screen titled Edit App List. Intelligent Edit. A trash symbol appears just over the selected HBO Max app. They click it. A dialog appears with text. Are you sure you want to delete HBO Max? Yes? No?
Then click the trash bin icon above the app and click Yes to remove it.
They click Yes. The HBO Max app no longer appears on the list.
That's it. The LG Content Store is open 24/7 for your enjoyment and now offers HBO Max.
A web page on the LG website titled HBO Max Compatible LG TVs.
Learn more at lg.com/us/support/HBO Max LG TV. How to set up.
Text, LG, life's good. Learn more at lg.com.